Here we go, we have a shaker, 392 shaker. To remove the shaker, clamp here, that's it. This bottom piece here is actually quite loose. You can just lift it off if you just undo the clamp there. Now put this together. There's just a few bolts here. Now I'm not going to tighten right up because I want to speed this video along. So now you just tighten up those quick. And what you do is you'll see there's a couple studs there, 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 and there, little guy. And they match in here. That goes on just the top like that. And then you just got a few bolts there. That's how you put your shaker on.